Joanne.
Hi.
Today I'm going to teach you how to tune with your fine tuners with the assistance of an adult or a parent or a older sibling. So for those of you who are watching, please watch this video twice all the way through before you try this at home, just to make sure you understand all of the steps in their entirety. So the first step is going to be, would you open the case from a seated position where two chairs are facing each other. All right, very good. I like that you have the case in the proper position. So now go ahead and lift up the violin and put it with the scroll side facing me and put it on your lap. That's the scroll. And put the bottom facing you, just like this. Perfect. Okay, Joanne, would you please pluck with your right thumb each string and tell me what is the name of that note?
This is E, A, D, G.
That's correct. Good. Today we're tuning with fine tuners. So would you find the fine tuners?
They're right here.
Okay, that's right. And now find the A string fine tuner.
Okay, so A is this one and this would be, is that right?
That's correct.
Okay.
All right, so what we're going to do is turn that fine tuner so that the top of it goes to your left. So I'm going to pluck while you do that. The top would be according to what it looks like the top for you. Okay, when that was turned to the left, the pitch went lower, and you probably heard that. When you turn it towards the lowest string of the instrument, like over here, the thicker ones, it will get lower. So that direction left that you turned it is going to make it lower towards the lower strings. So the same would be true if you were going to turn it towards the higher strings. It would make it higher. So we could try that. Turned it once all the way around. So the next thing that we're going to do is match this pitch to a tuning note. So I've gone on YouTube and I just searched up violin and viola tuner, and it's going to play the note A. Made sure that it was an A. And what I want you to do before I begin is to listen to this, and when you hear it, turn that tuner until it sounds the same. Now, if it sounds the same before we begin, then you don't have to turn it, but if it sounds different, then I would go ahead and turn the fine tuner. Either way, and then if it's getting worse and worse, then stop turning and go the opposite direction and see if it's getting better and better. And ultimately, you want them to match, and so once they match, then you just stop turning. Let's try that. And I'll go ahead and pluck while you do that. So here we go. That sounded great. Good job. I just have a couple of tips for you going forward. Number one, be patient and take your time. It takes a long time to learn how to tune, and at first you're going to want to go fast. Just be patient. Number two, if your string is floppy, take it to the music store. Sometimes that happens, and they can fix it for you. Number three, if the string is tuned incorrectly with the pegs, it could break the string. And number four, don't tune with the pegs until you know how. So that will be our next video.